Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been so long since I last vlogged, but it's just that so much was going on, good and not so good. But now here we are. Today is my birthday, October 15th, and I really wanted to do an unboxing of the Chanel bag I got. I'm very excited to show you what I got. It's my first Chanel bag, and I know I've heard so many things about these bags, and it's actually a wallet on chain. So it's very cute, it's extremely classy, like all of the things I love. But I just wanted to do an unboxing and just show you guys how much I love it. I've really been wanting this bag since my last birthday. So please enjoy.
There it is, the iconic black Chanel shopping bag and the cute box that my bag came in that I get to display in my closet.
So it comes in this really cute box.
So right there you see the tag. It's also called a mini bag. It comes in this really cute velvet dust bag. I love that. And this is the piece I chose. This is lambskin with champagne gold. And the plate on top is really what sent me. I saw that and I was like, I need this piece. To me, it's way cuter. The lambskin is a way softer leather. The grain leather is cute, but I feel like the monogram and the gold tone really stands out on lambskin. Now, the inside, it has many compartments. It can fit my keys, my phone, my makeup compact, which I was highly impressed. On the side, it looks folded, but it actually can expand quite a bit. So honestly, it is worth it. It's to me, it's a mini bag. It's not a wallet like you would think. And my favorite way to wear this bag would definitely be on the shoulder. Now with this piece, look how easy it is to switch from a crossbody to a shoulder bag. It's almost like the flap without being overwhelmingly huge. Small, classy, perfect.
So I really hoped you enjoyed my unboxing of my Chanel mini bag wallet on chain. I did get it in lambskin in black. They call it a champagne chain, not gold or silver. That's why it really caught my eye. I was originally gonna get the classic wallet on chain, but honestly, I saw this other one and I was absolutely obsessed. I love how the C's are a little bit bigger than the actual classic. But I love that about this bag. It's literally like a mini bag because you can hold it on your shoulder and you can show it the long way. That's the really nice thing about the Chanel bags I noticed, is that the chains are so long and you can actually adjust it and you can style it in so many different ways. That's why I love this bag. I'm so happy. I'm glad I'm having such a great day today, and I hope you are too. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate your support. I hope to be vlogging soon. I know so much has happened. I'm in a new place, so that's another big thing that's happened since then. Stay safe and stay tuned.